Hi, I'm Liz Tomey, the Director of the Tax Programs at PO Decimo Center, and I'd like to discuss how you can direct your tax dollars to issues that you're passionate about. By using Arizona tax credits, you can tell the government where you would like your tax dollars to go. So, would you like your tax dollars to go to your favorite charities? Well, as long as it's on the approved list, you can direct your tax dollars to that charity. Or if you're passionate about education, you can have some of your tax dollars directed to education too. So how do I do this? By donating. Arizona will deduct $1 from your taxes for every dollar you donate, up to your total tax liability. You can tell the government exactly where you want to spend your tax dollars as long as you donate to eligible institutions. There are 5 ways you can donate to Arizona. You can donate to a qualifying charity, foster care charitable organization, public schools, private school tuition funds, or the Military Relief Fund. Each credit has its own rules as to when you can donate, how much you can donate, and when you can donate by. So how does it work? First, you need to find your tax liability. You can do this by looking at line 51 on your Arizona 140 form. This is the amount that you can direct to your favorite school or charity. If the amount in line 51 is 0, you can still donate, but you will not receive a tax benefit by doing so. Once you've determined your tax liability, you need to decide where you want to donate to. You can donate up to the maximum credit amount in each category until you reach your total tax liability. Just make sure you make all of your donations prior to April 18th. Once you've made your donations, take your receipts to your tax preparer. The credits will reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar up to the amount that you donated. So let's look at an example. Say your tax liability was $500 and you want to take full advantage of the credit by donating $400 to your local charity and $100 to your favorite school. By doing so, you reduce your tax liability to 0, and any money withheld during the year becomes part of your refund. So what happens if you want to donate but don't have the funds right now? Well, that's okay. You have until April 18th to make your donations for this year. Ask your tax preparer to complete your taxes and help you figure out what your tax liability is going to be, and then when you have the funds, make your donations. Once you've made your donations, take your receipts back to your tax preparer and they can finish the return for you. Or if necessary, simply donate when you can and save the receipts for next year. Thanks for spending time today to learn about Arizona credits. If you would like to make PO your favorite charity, simply text PIO17 to 41444 to donate. Thank you for making PO Decimo Center your favorite charity.